Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends client lagging. There's a few different things that could cause this, and I'm going to show you a few ways how you can fix this. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you will want to open up your client of League of Legends and then go to settings at the top, and after that go to general. You want to make sure that low spec mode is enabled. And also you want to choose the window size as small as possible because it will work better after that. Now, if that didn't fix your problem, you want to go to your task manager, open it up. On task manager, you want to go to details right there. And you want to find League of Legends folders. So here are all of them. You want to go ahead and right click on it. Then you want to set priority to high, change priority, and after that again right click on it and set affinity, and you want to choose unselect CPU 0 and CPU 1 and just leave these two and click OK. And you want to do it to all of these files, change priority and then set affinity. Click OK and do it for all of these. Now, if that didn't fix your problem, you want to open up your NVIDIA control panel. So show more options, NVIDIA control panel, and open it up. After that, you want to go to manage 3D settings, and here instead of global settings, you want to choose program settings, and you want to add here League of Legends. So let's go ahead and do that. Add selected program. Now you will need to tweak a little bit of these features. So you want to choose this anisotropic filtering and you want to change it to 16x. Now to the mode, anti-aliasing mode, you want to go ahead and choose either application controlled, or if you have that, you can choose enhance the application setting. So I'm just gonna leave it to this one because I don't have this option. Now it should be this setting. If you can change it, you want to change it to 8x. I cannot do that, sadly. Now anti-aliasing transparency, you want to set it off to 8x super sample, or just 8x, whatever you have. And now CUDA GPUs, you want to use your processor, just like so. And now low latency mode. On low latency mode, you want to choose ultra. Now a max frame rate, it depends on your monitor. So for example, this monitor of mine has only 58, but my laptop's is way higher, so you want to go ahead and do it depending on your monitor. So I'm just gonna leave as it is, but basically you want to change it to the maximum. Now the mode OpenGL rendering GPU, you want to go ahead and choose your and for example, for me it would be GeForce RTX. Now power management would be normal. Texture filtering, that anisotropic, this one should be on, and a negative LUT bias should be clamp. Now another one would be quality, texture filtering quality, it should be on performance. And then trilinear optimization, that should be on as it is. And another one would be threaded optimization, and the threaded optimization should be on. The last setting you want to change is triple buffering, and it also should be on. After that, you want to click apply, and it will take a few seconds for it to apply it, and that should fix our problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.